friends, today we are going to unbox a very interesting watch. It has a very proud history, and I think the brand is as old as Rolex, maybe a year ahead than them, and it is a very respectable and well built watch, and of course it's a Swiss made, so there is no doubt about it, no Russian or Japanese. So here we are, and I know that from this red color you might have seen on many routers. So yes, you are right, it is the Oris, and they have this outer cardboard black box, and inside very beautiful royal blue color cardboard, another package, and it can slip like this. What else we have? We have the booklet or its manual instructions as usual, and warranty card. And here is this red color, which is an inspiration. Here also you can say inspiration for their this red cardboard, like Rolex do in the blue color. So here it is, simple box, very beautiful blue color. And here is the my favorite Oris Diver 65, 4 numerals. Maybe I think Omega also have a similar one, I think in the Rail Master. So it is a very beautiful sunburst blue black color, and it is the ascending blue. So in the center you have a black dial, and I think on the outer it is a blue color, but it's very beautiful. It is what you called very playful in the sunlight, and the date on the 6 o'clock. It has its diameter is approximately 40 mm, and the thickness of the watch is approximately, I think, 13, not so thin, but it's good. It has a close solid case back. Oh my god, I have put the watch in the wrong way. No problem. So it's better, you can see the time. And it has a clasp pusher, very good pusher, and it perfectly match or looks very beautiful on the NATO strap. It has a Salita base movement 200-1, and what else? It is a 100-meter water resistance, so you cannot say the diver, but since it is the vintage reissue, so many people they called it, not even the company have named the Oris 65 100-meter water resistant, which is great for everyday wear. And it has a black not the ceramic, the aluminum bezel, which has a 60 click, not unidirectional, so there is no chance that you are going to flip it around or maybe turn it on the wrong way. But I don't know why, because in the 100-meter you are not going to jump anywhere in the water where you need to see the time. So that is the one thing. And second thing, now there is lots of sophisticated equipments are coming, so only few people are diving with the automated or the manual wind watches, but still it's a great timepiece from the Oris, which is established in the Switzerland in 1904, year before Rolex. So it has a very great history in that sense. And with the yes, very important, the price. It is the retail. I think the retail price of this watch is around $2,000, but you can get it in discount from 1,200 to 1,500, depends where you are. It comes with the leather strap and the bracelet. Bracelet I don't like it. The leather I just want to avoid for some timing. And the price for the NATO, it's cheap than the leather or the bracelet. I think bracelet is coming around 1600 or maybe $1700. I am not sure exactly, but you can check the price on the Zuma shop, which has a great price point. Although the video is not sponsored by them, but it's the very good one to check the price of the watch. So you can find the retail price and then they put the discount. So I think although it is the gray market dealer, not the authorized dealer, but still you know that how much the AD is making. So that is the point here. I always keep the reference from them. There are a few more shops are there on online, but the thing is that you will not find all the models, all the brands. So that's it. That's all for the day. It's look very beautiful on my hand, and it slip nicely under the cuff. You can see it. It's under the cuff now. So that's it. And let me know in the comments how you like it. I will put the full specification. Bye. Take care.